Have you ever wondered how ChatGPT can write a story, how DALL-E creates stunning images, or how AI can compose music? That's the magic of generative AI, but how does it actually work? Let's start simple. Generative AI is a type of artificial intelligence that can create new content, like text, images, audio, video, or even code, rather than just analyzing data or making predictions. It is called generative because it generates things, and it does this by learning patterns from huge data sets. If it's trained on books, it learns to write. If it's trained on images, it learns to paint. At the heart of generative AI are deep learning models, especially transformers. These models learn relationships between words, pixels, or sounds. For text, it uses models like GPT, generative, pre-trained transformers. These are trained on billions of sentences and learn grammar, context, and even tone. Say you type, "once upon a time," the model predicts the next word, then the next, building full paragraphs that actually make sense. For images, it might use GANs, generative adversarial networks. One AI creates an image, and another AI checks if it looks real. They keep training against each other until the images are ultra-realistic. Okay, but where is generative AI actually used today? It is used in content creation, art and design, entertainment, education, coding, and even healthcare. Imagine you're a marketer, you type in a product description, and AI writes your entire email campaign. That's generative AI in action. Let's do a quick demo using ChatGPT. I'll ask it to write a story about a robot who wants to become a chef. Pretty cool, right? Now, let's generate an image using DALL-E. I'll type, "a dragon made of clouds flying over Tokyo at night." These aren't just random results. They're based on millions of training examples, refined by math, pattern recognition, and a lot of computing power. Of course, it's not all perfect. Generative AI raises real concerns like misinformation, deepfakes, bias, job displacement, and copyright issues. The key is responsible use. It's a powerful tool, but it needs guidelines, ethics, and human oversight. Generative AI is more than just a buzzword. It's reshaping how we write, draw, learn, and even think. From helping students write essays to aiding scientists in developing new drugs, the possibilities are massive. The future isn't about AI replacing humans. It's about humans working with AI to create things we couldn't even imagine before. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more AI tutorials and tech explainers.